Hot dogs are camping classics, but to change things up, today we're making a build-your-own setup with toppings that go way beyond the basic ketchup, mustard, relish 3-pack. Before heading out, I like to prep a few toppings ahead of time, like these pickled jalapenos and red onions. Just slice them up, add a few cloves of garlic to a jar, and pour over a hot brine made with vinegar, water, salt, sugar, honey, and some peppercorns. Let them cool to room temperature, then throw in the fridge for at least a day. Once outside and the campfire's going, I start with the grilled onion, yellow onion, olive oil, and salt, cooked low and slow until dark and golden. Then I lay out the rest of the toppings. The usual suspects, then a variety of sliced and grated cheeses, some pickles, peppers, and then of course a whole bunch of those grilled onions. Setting it up like this in a basket or on a tray is going to let everybody choose exactly what they want when building their hot dog, and no two hot dogs will be the same. I try to time everything with my campfire so that when I'm ready to roast the hot dogs, it's primarily coals. I'm wrapping some of the hot dogs in bacon just to give even another option. When you do this, make sure you use some toothpicks to hold the bacon in place while roasting. Then, once the hot dogs are skewered, I also crack open a can of chili and set it right into the fire to heat while we roast the dogs. Cooking over coals is best. Low and slow gives you that perfect even cook without burning the outside. Once everything's ready, we build. First up, a chili cheese dog. Carefully remove the chili with tongs and an oven mitt, then start assembling. Bun, shredded marble cheese, bacon-wrapped hot dog, pickled jalapenos, and a few spoonfuls of hot chili. Then, the pepperoncini dog. Monterey Jack cheese, hot dog, pickled onions, pepperoncini peppers, a little ketchup, and a handful of crushed spicy pepperoncini kettle chips for crunch and heat. And finally, the grilled onion dog. Mozzarella, a big scoop of grilled onions, dill pickles, then the hot dog and mustard on top. Give people options, they're gonna be happy. Try this next time.